Next time it's cocktail hour, why not draw some inspiration from the garden? So I'm going to whip up 2 botanical creations infused with garden-grown herbs to get the party started. Pineapple sage is the perfect addition to fruit-inspired cocktails. Choc mint goes beautifully with after-dinner mint-style drinks, and thyme and Thai basil are wonderful partners to gin. I'm getting some inspiration from this gorgeous book. It's called The Cocktail Garden, and it contains all the recipes for botanical cocktails in every season. So I'm going to give you some sage advice. Now, we don't often think of sage as being a herb that you would put in a cocktail. We know it goes well with, poultry and eggs, but it is the star ingredient in this gorgeous drink. Put 60 ml of good white rum into a shaker with 30 ml of lovely lime juice, 3 dashes of bitters, 20 ml of sugar syrup, and sage leaves fresh from the garden. Then shake, shake, shake with ice. Then pour the mixture into some gorgeous retro-style glasses. Now top it off with a splash of dry sparkling wine, and you're ready to go. Chloe, cocktail hour!